1,000 item declutter challenge continues in the office, and this is where we last left you. So we have the mess to the side, which I have to sort out all the books to what I'm keeping and what I'm going to be giving away, because yes, I was collecting a lot of books. There is some more space on the floor and we have some empty containers. Today we're going to be tackling my desk. That is a hot mess, and also some of the parts of the bookshelf there, and all the storage shelves there. There's just so many little bits and pieces. I have sped up quite a few bits for you, but I will talk you through some of the things that I find and what's happening. They probably mean more to me than you, but yes. So there's lots to do. You will see that I have changed clothes quite a number of times, because every day I did about half an hour to an hour, and that's about all I can manage. Oh yes, we're watching this movie. If you know what it is, let me know down below. This first part is just slow, just to share a few things with you. So I have shoes on today because they help motivate me, and also the plan is, for some things I find, to walk it immediately to where it needs to go, not just make another pile. I need to go and action it. I'm also finding random cards and letters and other bits and pieces of things that I want to keep, and I kept this section slow because I'm trying to show you sort of the indecisiveness of, I don't know where to put something, because I don't want to put it down just to move it away. So I've put the important cards in the cupboard to the side. I will be eventually cleaning out that display cabinet as well, but for now it's where a lot of my sentimental things are being kept. It's all my Avon Awards and various bits and pieces I've collected, and it is something I would like to clean out, but as I said, we're not in any hurry, so we're just going to do everything when we get there. We had a whole pile of bathroom stuff that is going there, and for some reason we have a whole lot of plants and seeds and other bits and pieces. Now we're to the speed up bit, and we are just cleaning off the desk. We have a whole pile of books that are here. We have various coins for some reason that are on my desk, receipts, bits of paper and other rubbish. So I'm just sorting that all out. The books, as I said, I'm just stacking to the side, and then I will deal with them later. I know it doesn't look very exciting, me sitting here and filing through papers, but I recorded it to show that, again, this is real life, and that are sometimes just the most littlest annoying things that needed to be done. So I had a whole lot of stuff I was giving away in the Buy Nothing group, and I had to finally get around to messaging those people to say that it's here available. I found some gift cards that I need to check balances on. I was double checking some receipts. I found a whole lot of foreign coins, and I had to then Google what to do with them. I found some old manuals for things we don't even own in the house anymore, and more books that we moved to the side. There was also folders here of papers and old bank statements and other random bits and pieces. I found part of my recipe cookbook that I've been looking for the past few months. So I started shredding a whole lot of that stuff, and the rest of it I've just stuck back in a folder, and I will do that off camera because it's stuff that I actually need to concentrate with. I'm finally onto this set of shelves, and it's going to be a massive conglomerate of things. So I've got this old Mary Kay bag that I was keeping forever and a day, but even on our last trip I didn't use it, so it's time to get rid of it. There's a couple of little clear plastic bags. I'll keep those in case we do international travel for liquids. This is a throw blanket that I was knitting that I will need to pull apart and redo. Oh, this is a box of books that I had no idea was up there. I'm pretty sure there used to be some paperwork and some receipts and other bits and pieces in there too, because I found some other random stuff to throw out. So we're just going to pull all the books out and stack them to the side and figure out what to do later. A friend was decluttering her house at one point and gave me some stuff, and I said, yeah, sure, I'll take it. Famous last words. And also on the shelves, I find in a minute a few books and DVDs and other stuff that I had decluttered a while ago, and they have just been moved from box to box and shelf to shelf that I was planning on selling, and I still haven't got around to it, but I still think it's worth trying to sell it. So I am going to put them in a drawer and deal with it later. The idea going through everything and decluttering is that I am making massive piles of stuff and ideas to sell things, and then once everything is at a base level for things, I can start that mission. But I need to go through and declutter first and then figure out where I'm going and what's going on. Another folder full of random papers that I'll need to go through. We have a diamond dot painting that I finished. I need to put that in the frame. Oh gosh, okay, random bits and pieces. Oh, we have an old shelf from IKEA that I bought that I clearly was going to use one day and never got around to it. A couple of baskets. I think we'll get rid of the wicker one, but the plastic ones we'll hang on to. That I've just stuck on the top shelf is a drawing tablet thing. Kira had it when she was doing some art in one of her uni degrees, and then she ended up changing directions for studies. We've been trying to sell it for a while. I'll have to actively get back on it. We've got a box up here full of some of those acrylic risers that I used to use in Avon and market displays. I'm going to sell the rest because I know that someone like me would love to be able to buy some really cheaply. And then I'm going through all the drawers that are here, because in here there would be gift bags, tissue papers, glitter, confetti, ribbons, decorations, you name it, it will be in here. I used to decorate tables at markets and displays, so we're just basically getting rid of about 9/10 of it. I did go through and declutter all of this, about 2 years ago, I think. I'll see if I can find the video, and I got rid of about 90% then, and now it's just the rest of it that I haven't touched it in over 2 years, so it's time to go. Cleaning up, you find the most funniest things. Here is a Mother's Day card from Kira, and it says here, Mum, I would like to give you a holiday from Dad. Instead I will give you vouchers. I think I got like a breakfast in bed voucher or something like that. Oh my gosh, it made me laugh so much. Oh yes, we're just going through the last of the drawers here, and there's some random decorations like those fake diamonds, and there's some fake string of pearls that I used to have scattered through the table, and just random bits and pieces that I probably won't ever need again. And if I do, I'm sure that I can probably purchase it somewhere else. That's also my theory with going through some things. I'm sure that I can purchase this. I did still keep one drawer full of some Ziploc bags and some other clear type cookie bags, just in case, because they are one of those things that I could use down the track for something else. But I guess in 12 months time, if I haven't used them, then it will be time to move on again. Some drawers were really difficult because technically, while there are some little containers inside containers, I don't actually need them, but I feel guilty if I throw them out, because I'm also thinking too that when I organise the craft area, I will need little containers to organise bits and pieces. So we shall see. This is my little media area for now. It was on the shelves next to my desk, but I just moved all over here, and I think that this area will also become a charging cable for my speaker and iPad and other bits and pieces that I need for Zumba. So for now, I just have all the Zumba CDs, the music, the instruction DVDs, and other bits and pieces that I need. There are a couple of DVDs here that I really need to watch the movies for and then return them to the rightful owner. There's some old CDs that I'd bought from op shops, Christmas music, because back in the day when I started Zumba, we always needed CDs as a backup, as well as the music on our iPods. And so I always had backups of stuff, so just getting rid of bits and pieces that I don't need anymore. And I do need to sit down, as I said, and sort out all the Zumba DVDs. These shelves are a little bit of a conglomerate as well of stuff. So there is boxes full of cables and computer bits and pieces. I do not touch the computer bits and pieces, but we're just going to tidy them up and just rearrange them as a bag of some Christmas stuff. There's a couple of craft things that need to go over there. Oh, I've got some leftover Mary Kay makeup bags. If you watch my travel vlog, you would have seen that I had the carry thing there, and I've got a couple left, so I'll add them to the sell pile because I need to get rid of them. Some more crafts things. The organizer for some stickers, gonna sell that. Oh, one of those things that you put all the letters on, a letterboard. I bought this on Facebook Marketplace. I used it like twice. But it came with all the containers with all the letters separated, so I think I'm going to sell it again. Probably a new market person will find it. Then I forgot that I had put here is 2 or 3 boxes of photos and random memorabilia. So again, when I'm not on camera, I'm watching TV at night or something, I will sit down and go through the boxes because we've got double ups of photos and also some other bits and pieces of memory stuff that I want to keep. So I need to pay attention and go through that. I realized while I was organizing this too, for some reason I've lost the dark blue lid. I don't know where it is, so I'm going to keep the light blue box for now, and hopefully when I can patch down the photos it will fit into that. Oh, another box of some random computer stuff, so we just leave all that there for hubby. And oh yeah, I stood there going, what to do now? There's kind of not much left to do, but I know that if I don't keep moving I'm going to regret it. Oh yep. A little cheer to motivate myself on. This is a drawer of some Zumba things. We used to do a lot of themes. I used to decorate the room, but I don't really do that anymore. It takes a lot of time and effort. So we're just going through and I'm just clearing out anything that I don't use anymore, and I'll donate those on as well. I just wanted to share with you guys, I found these little containers in a box that I was cleaning out, didn't show on camera, and I've got some old little jewelry bits and pieces in here. I remember that when I purchased the thing, I saw like 2 things in here in the whole box and it cost me $3. So I purchased it and figured I could donate the rest back. Kira does some jewelry stuff from time to time, so I'm going to give it to her to use. So I did count only about 30 items because I went through, and if there was a pair of earrings I counted that as one, not individual. So that's how some of my items are adding up. I picked up the things that we have donated today and I've put them out in the car ready to donate to Savers, so that's some more stuff out of the house. So the last video I left you with, we had done 112 items, and then there's the rest of the totals for today. Every time I stopped for the day I counted, so I added all them up. So we've got a total from the previous office and today of 272. Before that we had 779, and we're at 1,000 items already. Oh my gosh, we still have the lounge room, the kitchen, and some other bits and pieces to go, and part of the shed as well. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, lots more to come. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.